STIHL might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This you love cool item stick is undoubtedly an absolute lifesaver. Stop scrolling right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it performs flawlessly. It is incredibly user-friendly, and built out of highly durable components. STIHL's standout factor is definitely how it works better than anything else in the market. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere before it's completely gone. STIHL might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This you love cool item stick is undoubtedly an absolute lifesaver. Stop scrolling right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant,